coasting. Remember when I used to be the brokest, I was hopeless. And going through it, they'll never notice, now I'm focused. Won't stop until my pockets on the swollens, had to show it. The deepest in that freezer, I'm the coldest, what you saying? My mama know I'm G, but that was not part of the plan. Nobody showed me shit, I taught myself to be a man. Gotta watch them cause I know they watching me like I'm the man. Now I'm the man. Can't get a sequel, losing people, this shit driving me insane. I done hit so many funerals, now I'm numb to the pain. Had to cut out my big cutter, he ain't won't go with the grain. Can't no nigga tell me nothing, you know how far that I done came. Come from Texas, it's a blessing, smoking, choking like a train. Been a G since I was born, in 2020 I remain. I can't let nobody play me, so I keep one in the brain. Must be kin to Robert Ory, that's how quick these niggas change. Situations I'm to blame, hold up, hey, let me explain. Bout to go and hit a lick, I'm crashing out behind a stain. On my way straight out the gutter, know this shit won't be the same. Had to do this for my babies, know I owe them everything. I was coasting, remember when I used to be the brokest, I was hopeless. And going through it, they'll never notice, now I'm focused. Won't stop until my pockets on the swollens, had to show it. The deepest in that freezer, I'm the coldest, what you saying? My mama know I'm G, but that was not part of the plan. Nobody showed me shit, I taught myself to be a man. Gotta watch them cause I know they watching me like I'm the man. Now I'm the man. Ay, I'm talking about rags and riches. You ain't curt when I had the feelings. I put that in a glass of Henny. I'm about to get drastic with it. Buckle up, let me know if you ready. Don't focus, look, bro, here, tell it. I got more country grammar than Nelly. Hit a lick and we poppin' confetti. I was young when I started to rob. Take them back, trapping out the garage. Niggas hustling back with some marge. Don't believe everything a mirage. Tell me why you can't keep it a wreck. We gon' ride till we get a flex. Holla at me, you know where I'm at. No award in the hood, got a plaque. I'm just tryna wake up with them racks. Under pressure, I know he a wreck. Took that pain and I put it on wax. I don't answer, then send me a fax. Say, I gave him one of a kind. Know where you can go out and find. Let me know I'ma die over mine. I ain't quit, but was tired of trying. I was coasting. Remember when I used to be the brokest, I was hopeless. And going through it, they'll never notice, now I'm focused. Won't stop until my pockets on the swollens, had to show it. The deepest in that freezer, I'm the coldest, what you saying? My mama know I'm G, but that was not part of the plan. Nobody showed me shit, I taught myself to be a man.